Welcome to Option Traders. So today we are going to look into three stocks. So I'm going to recommend three stocks for the month of September, out of which two stocks for short term, 1 month to 3 months, and one stock for long term, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. So the short term stocks are HL Motors and Coal India. Let's discuss each stocks with their charts. Okay. So first I'll take up HL Motors here. So I recommend HL Motors for short term from 1 month to 3 months. So people, if you are going for investments or any sort of trading, you have to first look into a higher candlestick. Okay, only then you will get an accurate trend. So then we can go for lower time frames. Okay, so first I'm taking up a monthly chart of HM Motors. So let me draw the support and resistance here. So 3350 was the previous high. Okay, so the previous high of HM Motors was 3350, and recently it got broke. Okay, this got broke and it is above the resistance. Okay, so we can expect a upward trend beyond this point. Okay, so once if a strong resistance was broke, after that that particular resistance will act as a support. Okay, so even if the market tends to move downwards, it should take up a support from 3350 and should move further higher. So let's look into this stock, and you can have the stop loss somewhere below this support. Okay, stop loss below 3250. Okay, and let's look into the weekly chart of HM Motors. Let me draw the support. One more support here. Which is a 2162. Okay. So your first support is going to be 3350 and a long support is going to be 2162. So you have to trade accordingly. Then we'll look into the weekly chart. So it's quite same. You have these this high was broke here, right? And the market will tend to move forward. Okay. So we'll look into the 1 day chart. So you can see at this point 3350 there was a huge consolidation, right? So there was a huge consolidation market to decide. Okay, so and again it took the market broke the resistance and then came back, and again it moved forward. So you have to wait until it breaks the previous high, which is either you can go for this at 3374, or you can wait to for the market to break 3512 for better confirmation. If this crosses, market will tend to move forward. Okay, so that's what it is. So next stock for short term is going to be Coal India. You can hold it for 1 month to 3 months. So when you look into the 1 day chart, you can see Coal India is in a bullish trend, but it is always we need to look into the higher time frames. So I'm looking into 1 month, that is monthly chart. So where I can see Coal India's all-time high was around 450, but now it is at 237. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we have to draw the support and resistance. So this is going to be the support here, right? Previous support. So you can see the market has reversed at this support several times, right? But at a point of time it broke this support and market came down and again took a reversal, and now it is again at the support. So now it is going to be the resistance. Okay, so market is at resistance right now, so we need this market to break this resistance and move forward. Only then you can expect a higher move. Okay, so that is what, so market has come all the way to 237, so we have to wait until it breaks this resistance. Okay, so let me check the weekly chart. So as I told you, it is exactly at the resistance, so we have to wait until the market breaks this resistance. Okay, so if it breaks and if it sustains beyond this resistance, that is a 237, you can go for a short term. Okay, so if it breaks, you can expect a upper move. So let's look into this stock daily chart. So it is exactly the same, so we need to wait until it breaks this resistance and we can go for a short term. Okay, you can keep your stop loss somewhere below this, the support. Once if it moves upward, no, this will become a support, then you can have your stop loss below this support line. Okay, that's it about Coal India, and you can go for 1 month to 3 month short term investment. So ICICI Bank can be recommended for longer investment. Monthly chart of ICICI Bank. So let us draw the support and resistance. So 865 will be the previous high, somewhere around 865, 866. Okay, and you have a support here at 878. Okay, this is what the monthly chart of ICICI Bank, and you can see a breakout here. Okay, so previously this was a resistance, a strong resistance, so now it has been broken. Okay, so now market should move in upward direction, or it may test this support again and it can move upward. Okay, either thing can happen. Okay, that is what we have to look into. The chart shows that it is in bullish trend. Okay, you can have your stop loss somewhere below this support. Okay, so let's look into weekly chart. So the same thing, we have a very good support at 866, and the market may tend to move upward direction. Okay, and when we look into the Funday chart, so you can see there is a huge consolidation before. Right, there was a huge consolidation before, and it which broke out and started moving upward direction. Right, so it can move upward, or if the market can test 866 once again and move upward direction. So this is what can happen, but it is a good sign of a bullish trend. Okay, and you can have your stop loss somewhere below 866. Okay, so that's it for now. So I've given you three recommendations. Two, that is Asia and Coal India for short term 1 to 3 months, and for long term I've given ICICI Bank like 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. So these recommendations are from my technical analysis and research. I have given this for educational purpose. You can look into these stocks, and if you wanted to go for making order or buying these stocks, you have to go for analysis. You have to do your own research, and definitely you need to get support from your financial advisor. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching the video.